I'm going to show you how to make the shrimp with sticky rice. I have 2 cups of sticky rice. You need to put it in the rice cooker. So after you cook it, we turn like this. And I have 4 small Chinese mushroom and about 1 ounce of pea pod, 1 ounce of carrot, and 1 ounce of green onion, and about 9 ounces of shrimp. 5 ounces of shrimp, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and the mushroom. You soak in the water for about 2 hours, and after that, I like to put about a half teaspoon of sugar and about 1 teaspoon of oil. Then you mix. Then you steam the mushroom about 10 minutes. And I already did some ahead. This is already steamed for 10 minutes. Then for the shrimp, I'm going to put a pinch of salt and white pepper. And mix. Okay, let's start it. Let me turn on the heat. Make sure they're hot first. Okay, looks pretty hot right now, so we'll put some oil in it. And I stir around the wall. Put the shrimp in it. Oh, the shrimp smell really good. I can smell it right now. Okay, then I'm going to remove it. Then I add a little bit oil in it. Then I put in the green onion in it first. And carrot and pea pod. And I put in the mushroom in it also. Then I put little, about 1 teaspoon of water in it. Not too much, just 1 teaspoon. To make it more moist. And I put the shrimp back in again. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to put all the ingredients in the on top of the sticky rice. Okay, then I put 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And I put a pinch of salt in it. That's all. Pinch of white pepper. Then I'm going to mix. Make sure you mix well. Looks pretty good to me right now, almost. Okay, this is all done. I'm going to put it in a plate to show you. Okay, this is my shrimp with sticky rice. Enjoy it.